Welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures. And today we're doing the alphabet letters from A all the way to the Z. And we put in the letters all around the park, and Asher is gonna find them. Are you ready to find all the letters?
Put the letters in the park.
You want to put the letters in the park?
Yeah.
We have all the alphabet letters all around the park. Are you ready to find the letters?
Yeah.
Hey! Where?
B.
B. Where? C.
C.
D.
D.
E. Let's see E.
E.
F.
F.
G.
G.
What is this one? What is that one? H.
H.
Where's I?
I.
Oh my God. J. That's J.
J.
There's the K.
K.
L.
Ice cream powers. L.
And go down the slide.
Let's go find the letters.
Yeah! We still have more letters. Let's go.
Okay. I thought you did not find
There's one this right here. Which one is this one?
M.
Come pick it up.
Okay, I think it's
M.
M.
There's more letters. There's more over there. N.
N.
O.
O.
That's P. Let's get up there. There's more up there in the game. Oh my God. Pick it up. Yeah, more letters up there. There's a bridge. Go over the bridge and pick up the letters. Oh my God. There's more over there. Pick it up.
Ice cream powers.
Oh my God. Which one is that one? Q.
Q.
R. Pick
R.
it up.
S.
And go down.
Get down this one.
Yeah, go down the slide. Oh my God, all the letters down there. Yeah!
Whoa! You did this like that! Yeah!
Pick all the letters up.
Super fast.
T, is that a T? T, there's more over here. U.
U.
There's one over here. Look at that one. Which one is that one? B. And there's one over here. Which one is that one? Oh my God, there's one over here by the dog. Which one is that one?
W.
W. Yes, let's go. Let's get it. What is that one? X. Y.
Y.
And there's C all the way over here.
Ice cream towers.
C. You won. Cool.
Cool.
Oh, so we found all the letters and now we're gonna put them in this nice alphabet puzzle. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's start. Find the first letter.
This is the letter A. That's not A.
Which one is that one?
I didn't know it. That's W.
W. And where does W go? Put it where it goes.
There's A.
Let me see. Oh, that's A.
That's purple.
Purple A. Let's see.
A for ants.
Pick another letter.
The U. U.
That's U.
Yeah.
And it goes right there.
Yeah. U for umbrella. There's a C.
Does it see?
Yeah, put it here.
Oh my God, that's C.
Z for zebra. There's a neck. There's K.
There's K. Oh my God, let me see K.
K for
Oh,
kangaroo.
wow.
Then another. There's F.
F?
Whoa. Where's
That's not F. Which one is that one?
P. There's a paper right here.
Which one is that one?
P.
Oh, that's P.
P for pig.
Where's F? I don't know. See if you find it.
I found F.
Oh, you found F?
Yeah.
Put it where it goes. Let's see.
F for frog.
Wow. F.
There's the letter B.
Letter B. Just let me see. Oh, you found B.
The B.
Put it where it goes. Wow. Which one is that one?
V.
That's V.
Yeah, I put it in a volcano.
Oh, in the volcano. Wow.
This is the dinosaurs.
Wow.
The letter G.
G. Let's see. Turn it around. There you go. G.
G for giraffe. L.
That's L. Let's see where it goes.
Right here. It's not sweet. It's around.
There you go.
L for lemons. It's Q.
Q. You found Q?
Yes, I did it.
Wow.
It didn't.
Where it go?
The queen.
The queen for
Yeah.
Q. Wow.
It's my. Oh, the E.
You found E?
Yeah.
And where does it go?
The elephant.
For elephant? Oh my God. E for elephant.
The one is for the dinosaur.
Oh, you found D for dinosaur?
Yeah, I put the C in the water C and I put the cats.
Oh, C for cats? Are you gonna find the C for cats? Let's see.
That's not C.
That's not C. Which one is that one?
That's. Oh. That's not C.
That's not C. You trying to find C in the back?
There's C.
You found C?
Yeah. Oh no, the C is in the floor.
Wow. C for cat.
That's it. That's the I.
You found the I, and what is the I for? Ice cream?
Yeah.
That's the R? You found the R too? Oh my God.
R for rabbit.
That's the N?
Yes, oh, noodles.
N for noodles?
Yeah, the little Y and the yo-yo.
The letter Y for yo-yo?
Yeah, that's so cool with the X.
Wow, Y for yo-yo.
I needed the X.
The X?
Yeah, put it right here.
And the X is for xylophone.
Yeah, the water is D for W.
You trying to find W for water?
Yeah, W for water.
W for water.
I put it too.
Wow. Wow.
S.
The S? You found the S? Let me see.
Oh no! The snake.
Oh, S for snake?
Yeah, the tree.
T for tree?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
No, the wind. Whoa! The tree is super wobbly. Whoa! There's S.
M? And what is M for? For monkey?
H.
You found the H?
Yeah, but it's the hand.
For hands?
Yeah, but the owl, I need the O.
You need O for the owl?
Yeah.
Let's see if you found the O.
There's O, they put it in the owl.
Oh my God. O for owl.
But that's the G, and that's the wish. But it's so important.
Oh my God. And what is that for? For jelly?
Yeah, jelly. Let's turn this to the round.
Turn it around.
No, it's not worse, no.
Oh, turn it around.
J for jelly beans.
Oh my God.
Yeah!
What color is I?
Oh, red. No, B.
And what color is B?
The orange. But the letter C.
And what color is C?
Blue.
Blue. Oh my God.
But the letter D.
And the letter D. And what color is D?
It's red.
Ooh, it's red.
But the greenness is E.
E is green. Oh my God. And
F is purple.
F is purple.
G is orange.
G is orange.
M is red.
N is red. M. What color is M?
Blue. S for orange with L.
L is orange. Is that a K?
It's purple.
Yeah.
This is J and this is epic green.
Green. The J is green.
The H is really blue.
And the H is blue.
That's very good. It's very purple.
Oh my God, the U is purple. Pick the O. What color is the O?
Green.
Green.
Yeah. Why is this green?
And Y is green too.
Yeah, but this blue.
And R? Well, you just picked up the R. What color is the R?
Blue. This is red. Yes. S is also blue. But T is also green.
And T is green. And what color is the X?
This is red. And
Is red.
this is purple. And this is orange. Yeah! Wow!